medium school Mandar online classes. Student, in previous video of maths of standard 6, we had started chapter number 5, that is the new lesson decimal fraction. In that we had seen how the addition of decimal fraction is carried out, also subtraction of decimal fraction, some word problem related to this decimal fraction. Okay students, now in today's lecture we are going to start new point, that is showing the decimal fraction on number line. Showing the decimal fractions on the number line. So one question is given here, show 3.5, 0.8, 1.9, 2.7, 4.2 on the number line. Here point is given in all the number. That's why it is called as decimal number. Okay students, here I draw one number line. So you know what is meant by number line. Number line is a simple line that contains numbers on it. So here I draw one number line and the scale is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7 is given. You may extend your scale. Okay students. So here I have to show this decimal number, these decimal fractions onto this number line. So what can I do here? Here 0 to 1 is 1 unit. Then 1 to 2 next unit. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, like this. Means here these units are separated. So here we have to show 3.5, 0.8, 1.9 like this number. So what should I do here? I should divide each unit, means 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 like this. Each unit into 10 equal parts. See how I divide this each unit into 10 equal parts. First 0 to 1 contains 10 lines. Then 1 to 2 also contains 10 lines. 2 to 3, 10, 10 like this. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 10. Okay student. Now again 10. Divide 1 to 2 unit into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again divide all units into 10 equal parts. Okay student, now see the value of that number.